Hello, my limitless soul. Welcome to this magical love meditation. Today, you will align yourself with the frequency of love and effortlessly attract your right partner into your life. If you're ready to receive love, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Feel your heart expanding as you breathe in and breathe out all doubt, fears, worry. With each breath, feel yourself sinking into deep relaxation. Your body is feeling light, your mind is calm, and your heart is open and ready for love. Visualize a beautiful golden bubble of love all around you. It shimmers with pink, gold, and violet. Visualize in your mind the richness of the hues of these colors into your life, into your love bubble. This is your love bubble, your portal to your dream love story. Step inside this bubble. Feel the warmth of love and know that you are safe. And this bubble has so much of love in it. And as you have stepped into this love bubble, you're surrounded with this pink shimmery color, the golden violet color. Take a look by keeping your eyes closed. Revolve and see all the hues, the beautiful love around you. And there is absolute no place for any fear, doubt, loneliness. This space is full of pure, magical love. Here, which you are ready to embrace right now. Now gently place your hand over your heart. Feel your heart beating and put a beautiful smile as we are welcoming our life partner. Feel the love inside you growing stronger and say, I'm love, I'm worthy, I'm ready. Now into this love bubble, you can experience a new energy entering, coming close to this love bubble. You're feeling warm, familiar, yet you feel safe. And finally, as this person is walking more towards you, closer to you, you're able to see them stepping into this bubble of love with you. You can now feel their energy, and as they've stepped right in front of you, you're gazing into their eyes deeply, and they too are. It just feels like home, as if you've known them since a very long time, like forever. as you see deeply into their eyes shine with love. Your smile melts and your heart beats more faster. They reach out to hold your hands in yours. Feel their hand gently touching yours. The warmth of their touch sends a wave of love, and it touches your soul. Take a deep breath. Breathe in the joy, the satisfaction, fulfillment of being into this moment. Your heart is glowing in joys of love. The glimpse of looking into their eyes deeper. And as you are looking deeply into their eyes, you have this knowing and you can feel deep love, trust, and commitment into their gaze. You can feel it in every part of your soul, every cell. Your aura is shining brighter as you lit up with the freshness of this love. And as you breathe in this love, you enjoy. You suddenly see your partner kneel down, holding your hands and whispering the love-filled, magical words that you have always dreamt of. Will you marry me? And your heart beats faster. Your eyes fill with tears of joy. You're blushing and you're surprised, but yet you know the answer because your heart is pumping to say it out loud. Yes, I do. And you can feel the ring sliding into your finger. Your hands tremble with excitement. You can feel this is so real, and since a very long time, this is what you've been wanting to experience. And here, it is right here in the moment. Finally, this is happening to me. You're engaged to the love of your life, effortlessly, divinely, beautifully. Feel the love between you growing even stronger. Your love bubble is expanding. See the colors, how they are glowing, wrapping both of you in golden light. This light is the universe blessing your union and sealing your destiny together. Feel your partner embracing you. Feel their warmth close to you, their love, their commitment. Experience and see vivid future together, walking hand in hand, laughing, supporting each other in every moment of life. You're loved, cherished, and deeply connected. Hold on to this feeling. Let it sink in every cell of your body. This love is yours, now and forever. Let's repeat. Yes, I'm blessed. Yes, I'm engaged. I'm loved. I'm ready for my dream marriage. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, send gratitude to the universe for bringing your life partner to you magically and effortlessly. Now, slowly feel yourself coming back to the present moment, carrying this love within you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You're now in perfect alignment with love. Your dream proposal, your effortless marriage, it is already on its way to you. Keep your heart open. Trust the process. Trust universe. Have faith. And watch how magically things unfold. Thank you for sharing this beautiful moment with me. And do know you're loved. You're chosen and you are limitless. With that, me Naisha Neha signing off to let me know how did you love this, and can you still feel the love bubble? What did you visualize, in what intensity? If you have a life partner, how truly did you connect with this meditation? And when is it that you can feel that this is happening to you? Right here in the moment? Yes, I know it's right here. So do repeat this meditation daily for 30 days. And do hit the like. To comment your whatever you have felt. To subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to know whenever I release my songs and meditation or I go live. I'm always open to hear more and more from you all. So do join my WhatsApp community. It is absolutely free for you all. And also, I look forward to be serving you. So let's create more magic. Let's create being and experiencing limitless love. Comment below. I am limitless. I'm living my limitless love.